Hi, I'm Natasha from Vertway, and today I would like to present our new product, Vertway World, a breakthrough technology to create 3D virtual worlds. Vertway World is an amazing technology to create multi-platform 3D virtual places for diverse areas and industries. Use Vertway World in the educational sector to promote your school through building a virtual campus and making student networking more fun. It's perfect for entertainment and leisure and tourism industry, hotels, resorts, museums, all kinds of sales or creative agencies, music or sport clubs and facilities, major events, online stores, real estate. All of them can use Virtual World as a promotional tool. Vertway World is a new and exciting way to attract more clients to direct communication, learn their opinion, hear their feedback, and provide an absolutely new company-customer relationship. Use the solution inside the company for your staff. Turn it into your internal social network for employees from different offices, offering them an opportunity to get to know and learn from each other. With Vertway's technology working on PC, Mac, iOS, and soon Android, you open a world of new marketing techniques. Expand your users' audience to multi-million thanks to having Vertway World on all of these platforms. To contact us and learn more information on Vertway and our products, please visit our website.